Good morning, students. So in previous class we have studied lesson number 6, that is food, and in this lesson we have studied that why do we need food in our daily life. And I told you that food is a very basic necessary thing for which we need our body. It needs for our body. And why do we need food? Why should we eat the food? To get energy. We should eat the food to get energy. And why do we need energy? We need energy to work, to play, to study, to do our daily basis work. And what is the use of food to our body? Food keeps us healthy and active. Food keeps us healthy and active. Next, also it gives us energy. Okay. Next, it helps us to grow. Food helps us to grow. It makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Also, it helps us to fight with the illness and diseases. Food helps us to fight with illness and diseases. And we have discussed some of the correct or wrong answers yesterday. Okay. So let me explain one more time that healthy food makes us sick. Is it correct or wrong? It is wrong, because healthy food makes us active and strong, not sick. So the answer is wrong. Food gives us energy to play. Yes, food gives us energy to play. It is correct. Third one is, we can live without food. No, it is wrong, because we cannot live without food. It is the basic need for our body. Okay. And the fourth one is, food helps us to grow. Yes, food helps us to grow. It is correct. Today we will study about meal times. And I told you in yesterday's class that we eat at least 4 times. We eat at least 4 times per day. Is it? Yes. First one, we eat our breakfast in the morning. Next, we eat our lunch in the afternoon. And we eat snacks in the evening. And we eat our dinner in the night time. Is it? Yes. So first one is, I eat breakfast in the morning. It is the first meal of the day. Okay. When you eat breakfast, then I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast when? In the morning. In the morning. When do we eat our breakfast? In the morning. Okay. And now the next one is, I eat lunch in the afternoon. What do you eat in the afternoon? We eat our lunch in the afternoon. I eat lunch in the afternoon. In the afternoon. The lunch. So after this, what you eat? We eat snacks after going home from the school or work. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಸಿವಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ತಿಂತೀರಿ? ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಈಟ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. I eat snacks when do we eat our snacks? In the evening time ಒಳಗೆ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. So now the last one, snacks ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೈಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ. ಯಾವಾಗ? ನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಈಟ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಐ ಈಟ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ when? In the night. In the night. Okay. So first one, we eat our breakfast when? In the morning. We eat our lunch in the afternoon. We eat our snacks in the evening. And this is the last meal of the day. What is that? Dinner. We eat our dinner in the night. Our breakfast is the first meal of the day and our dinner is the last meal of the day. Breakfast ಯಾವಾಗ ತಿಂತೀವಿ? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಲಂಚ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ 4 meals. Okay, these are the 4 meals that we have in a day. Okay, so next open the page number 118 and take a pencil in your hand because they have given some of the pictures. 6 pictures are there. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಶಾ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಆಶಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾಳು, ಆಕಿನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾಳ. ಶಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆಕಿ ತನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಒಯ್ದಾಳ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫುಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾಳ. ಹೌದಾ, ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಒಯ್ತೀರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಡ್ ಒಯ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಕಿನೂ ಒಯ್ದಾಳ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಈಚ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಏನೇನು ಒಯ್ದಾಳ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. They have given the pictures that what she brought with her to the picnic. So what you have to do is see the pictures properly and write their names below here. They have given some lines here. You have to write the names of these pictures. So take a pencil in your hand and try to answer them. What is the first picture? What are those fruit? Which fruit is that? Banana. Okay, so write it. First one is banana. Okay, first one is banana. And see the second picture and guess the fruit. What are those? Apples. Is it? Apple. Now see the third picture and try to guess what is that. It is the cake. Yes, birthday cake. It is a cake. Cake. Now the fourth one is, what is that? That is burger. Yes, it is a burger. Write it. Now the next picture, what is that? These are the grapes. These are the grapes. And see the last picture. What is that? This is corn. It is corn. This is corn. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕಿ ಏನು ಒಯ್ದಾಳ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾಳ, ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಆಕಿನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾಳ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬನಾನಾ, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್, ಕೇಕ್, ಬರ್ಗರ್, ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದೇರ್ 3 questions ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್. 3 questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ಇದು ಇಫ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, questions are very easy. So take a pencil in your hand again and answer them. Write the answer. What is the first question? See here. So I will rub it. What is the first question? I eat breakfast in dash. Breakfast in the dash. The second one is I eat dash in the afternoon. I eat dash in the afternoon. Now the third one is I eat dash in the evening. I eat dash in the evening. So what are the answers? Try to answer them. First one is I eat breakfast in the dash. When do we eat our breakfast? Yes, in the morning. So write it here, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Is it? I eat breakfast in the morning. The next one is I eat dash in the afternoon. What do you eat afternoon? lunch. Is it snacks or dinner? No. What you eat in the afternoon? That is lunch. Okay. So the last one is I eat dash in the evening. Evening time ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಂತೀರಿ? ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ತಿಂತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ತಿಂತೀರಿ? ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಿಂತೀರಿ? ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಈಟ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. I eat snacks in the evening. Okay, so these are the some questions. First one, I eat breakfast in the morning. Second one, I eat lunch in the afternoon. And the third and the last one is I eat snacks in the evening. Okay, so these are the some questions. In tomorrow's class we will study about food we get from plants and animals. Which kind of foods we are getting from plants, which kind of foods we are getting from the animals, that we will study in the tomorrow class.